Saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box?
Not till you give me the
What's
gun.
in the fucking box? No!
Just throw it all away if you know.
No!
Hey everybody, Sexy Matt the Pharaoh Wizard here with another Loot Crate Drunk Unboxing. Yeah. This month's theme is Invaders or Invasion. Can't remember, one of the two. They don't make a big deal about the theme as much as they used to. Like, they used to be like a big deal. Now, like, they mention it, it feels like once on their Facebook, and then you never hear of it. And these come so late now that by the time I'm sure they've already mentioned what October is. So by the time I get it, I fucking forgot. So I think it's Invasion or Invaders, one of the two, doesn't matter. Same motherfucking thing. Let's just get into it. Let's open this motherfucker up, yeah. Alright. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's go with the shirt first. And we have a Venom shirt. Let me take a look at this. Oh, that's pretty badass. Because he is a symbiote from space. But I like this. You know what I really like this, though? One, it's got some kind of purple to it, which I like. But also, this doesn't tie to the movie as much. This is more the comic Venom and not the probably terrible movie that comes out soon. Nah, I mean, Venom's going to be great. It's going to be fine. There's no way Venom's going to be a bad movie whatsoever. There's no way.
We will eat both your arms and then both of your legs, and then we will eat your face right off your head. You will be this armless, legless, faceless thing, won't you? Rolling down the street like a turd in the wind.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright. And we got a figure. It's Alien! Alien! And it's called Out for a Walk. Check that out. Adult collectible. Not a toy. Don't fucking play with this, man. I fucking mean it. Don't play with this. This isn't a toy. It's a fucking collectible. So fun. Oh, so fucking stupid. Alright, what we got? Looks like we gotta piece it together. Let's do this, bitch. There we go. That is fucking adorable. I love it.
Well, that's great. That's just fucking great, man. Now what the fuck are we supposed to do?
It is a xenomorph walking a face hugger while he's on a phone. I love it. I love this figure. That is amazing. Oh, fucking, I love this figure. This is a great figure. Done. I loves it. Freaking awesome. Alright. Not a whole lot more. Let's say, we got something camouflage, which is extra camouflagey because you probably can't see me. Oh, it's a Predator bandana. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Predator in the camouflage there. Oh, let's do the correct side. I'll do a picture of this if it's not coming through on the green screen.
You're one ugly motherfucker.
There we go, got a Predator bandana. Oh yeah. It actually goes surprisingly well with what I'm wearing, although I'm sure the invisibility of the Predator is messing with my green screen. That's exactly what it is. It's the invisibility of the Predator. By the way, the Predator, the new one, it's a fucking shitty movie. Like, really, really bad. It's bad. Alright. We have I Want to Believe. It's a little like notebook. So you can write about your alien invasions. Like all the times you've been abducted by aliens. That's like, it's not even like fancy like the Harley journal from last time. It's real cheap. I don't like it.
This is the worst assignment we've ever had.
Worse than the time we were attacked by the flesh-eating virus?
Oh, he bit me with my own teeth!
No, this is much more irritating. I've seen enough, Mulder. Let's go.
Yeah, okay.
Mulder would not approve. And we got a pin. Holy shit. I much love this pen. It is a fucking face hugger. This is an awesome pen. I love this pen. Alright. Yeah, that is cool. I love that pen. Alright. Well, fucking done. Alright. And we got our spoiler card. It is Invaders is the theme. Original Venom shirt. Exclusive J03 bot figurine. Exclusive Predator Jungle camo bandana. And Loot Crate edition X-Files hardcover journal. And exclusive Alien face hugger pin. Alright. The Mega Crate. This month, 2 lucky looters win the Mega Crate, including a hometown screening of the fucking Predator for you and your friends in an exclusive Predator mask with $600 value. I think this is the first time ever I'd rather have this crate than the Mega Crate. I would not want to take friends and force them to watch the Predator. But Matt, you don't have any friends. Shut up, I got friends. And looks like the box turns into a thing. So let's flip the box. There you go. It's like an alien in a holding tank. It's got a bunch of fun Easter eggs like on the side. It says like procedure, temp, check all pressure gauges, refill LN2. I don't know what the LN2 is. Measure element 115, transfer alien to hangar 18 tomorrow. And it's got a little fun thing. This is what I like. It's back to simple. It's a reusable box with a fun little design. I like it. I like it. Alright, so let's... Hold on, let's get a drink. That's what we're going to do. Alright, now let's look at the whole motherfucking box. I'm available for weddings and bar mitzvahs. Alright, so here you go. Here's your Invaders box. You got your Alien figure. It's awesome. I love this figure. You got your Alien pin. I love it. So everything they did that's aliens, awesome. I freaking love it. You got your X-Files. I want to believe notepad. Oh, I just lost a pen. I'll have to get that later. I'll get that pen. Anyway, you got your Venom shirt. I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, it doesn't really tie to the movie Venom, so you can just enjoy the Venom t-shirt movie. So that's the whole... Oh, that's not the whole box. You also got your Predator bandana. I don't know. It's all right. I probably won't do anything with it after this. So, yeah, that's the thing. So it's a pretty okay box. Like I said, everything that was Alien is pretty cool. Not just because I like Alien, but like the Alien stuff is really cool. The shirt's awesome and everything else. So yeah. That's about it. That's all I got, folks. Cheers, fuckers.